Yeah, so this is a car crash that happened.
It happened. It's not happening anymore.
Yeah, it's not happening anymore. Apparently, people were saying there was a race.
Yeah,
There's the dude that survived.
Call that number so I can find this fucking minute phone. It's under my name. No, paramedic.
Everything got destroyed. Morgan, what would you say about the crash?
That's bad. I can't believe anybody was hurt.
I can't believe it either. All I know is that dude is lucky as shit. Like, all the traffic is slowing down just to see it. There's the tow truck.
No, I don't think we should fix the other cars.
That probably would have helped right now.
I know, right?
Apparently, there was some sort of race where people being
There's a race?
apparently people were being like total jackasses. There's the guy without the shirt. His friend was driving it, and as soon as there was a crash, he took off. So yeah, that'll probably give people the excitement for the day. All right, well, I guess that's all. See ya.